So that's what the receive should sound like versus the other video. And here's the caps that ended up being replaced. This one actually looks like it was heat stressed. The sides of it are melted off. Same thing with this one. And this one. You can see, if you look at it really close, see how that terminal, it's blown out the positive side. Yeah, look at it really close. See, that one's bulged at the bottom. Oops, they're dropping all over. Yeah, they're definitely needed to be replaced for sure. Then what we did, we replaced a few caps in there in the receive and audio section. And readjusted everything. But the thing that kind of concerned me was some of the work in here. I mean, it's alright, but it's hard to see with this camera. But down on the processor here, you see these wires? See how those are all soldered onto the processor? Yeah. Same thing as this side over here. Can't really see that one because you can't unplug them anymore because they're soldered in permanently. So if you ever have to do any work to this, you would have to carefully desolder those. Yeah, other than that, it's decent radio. But it does what it's supposed to do now. So, alrighty, I'm out of here.